I'm going to start with the back only because that's just how I do it. So I'm just going to take a small piece, and the key is small, you guys. Like, I know us lazy folk want to grab a big piece and think that it will curl, but that is the #1 reason why I have failed in the past, is because I took too large a section when trying to curl my hair with a straightening iron. I'm a righty, so this is my right hand, and I'm gonna clamp this piece here, and I'm going to turn it away from my face, and you gotta hold on to it and you gotta put a lot of pressure. And I'm just gonna hold this piece so that it doesn't get mixed up with my straight hair, and voila, a curl, a wave. I'm gonna throw this to the back. Again, taking very small sections. So I'm gonna hold like so, pinch, and turn away from my face. And the key is away. Like before, I would get so mixed up and I just didn't know how to do it. But there, and it is curled. Now I know some pieces may look a little straight, and for my purposes, that's okay. Like a wave is kind of like, I guess, what I'm going for anyway, so that's good. So yeah, I got a nice wave going on in the back, and just gonna keep doing that. I like to start with the back only because I just feel like I just want to get it over with. You know? But yeah, also it helps me just be more patient, I guess, in taking small sections. And like so. And whoops, again, some piece of hair fell out of it. That's okay. Just throw it to the back. And I feel like when I'm done and I kind of comb it all out anyway, it's gonna goes good together. But as you can see, my hair is pretty straight naturally. I didn't straighten it beforehand. If anything, I washed my hair last night, and this is fresh, air-dried hair, if you're wondering. Clamp, small piece, and turn, and pinch. If your straightener is hot at the top, it might be hard to put pressure and clamp on it. So if you have a glove, that's great. I do have a glove, but I just forgot to put it on. And voila, curl. Small piece, clamp, turn, and pull. I noticed the curl doesn't even start for me like until down here for some reason, even though I turned pretty early. But I think that's just because my hair is long, so oh well. But I'm still getting those curls. I guess like if I start like way up high, maybe I will get the curl. Let's try that. So I have the top here now, a thin piece, and I'm gonna start from up here and do it. Let's see if that makes a difference. It may not, because I've done this several times now and I feel like only the bottom half of my hair curls, but you never know. That hardly did anything. Wow. I'm going to do this piece again only because that was a pretty weak curl. So I'm going to pinch and hold, and whoo, that's hot. I noticed that one side is always easier to do. So the trick is going, you know, to my right side and then using my right hand, because there is a kind of like swivel you need to do with your arm, but we'll address that when we get to it. But for now, I'm still taking small pieces, bending right away and pulling. Even if I bend right away, it still didn't make that much of a huge curl for my hair, but again, that's okay. And yeah, a slight wave. Again, fine for my purposes. So yeah, it's nice to be able to curl with a straightening iron, because I mean, if you're traveling or something, you can just, you know, take one tool with you, which is nice. It really did take me forever to get this down. Ooh, that's a big one. You just have to be patient when doing your head, and I'm not a patient person when doing hair, because it's just blah to me, but ooh. But, you know, now I think it's kind of fun in that I can just, you know, enjoy the process, if that makes sense. Small piece, and pull away and curl. Good. I feel like for my hair it's pretty subtle, but you know, I have a curling wand as well, you know, that will give me those big voluminous curls if I want. But like, you know, I want to get that kind of beachy, wavy Instagram hair, and a lot of people use straightening irons to achieve that look. So I just wanted to give it a try, you know, and I feel like this does work quite good. Again, slight, but it's okay. And now I'm finally at the last couple pieces of my left side. Grab this, turn, and pull. All the way down. And nice wave again. Ooh, that time the wave did go up more, like starting from the top, so I guess maybe I just really do need to take like a really thin piece, which these are. And again, grab and pull away from me. So I guess the hair should be in front of your iron. That's how you know it's away from you. And, ooh, that was a crazy bend. I'm just gonna straighten a little bit of that out because that's so bouncy. And that's actually the great thing, like if you feel like you messed up, I think that's a little bit too curly, just gonna, you know, try to iron it out. So yeah, you can see how curly it is throughout. You know, I like to run my fingers through it, soften it up to like give a true like wavier texture. I think that looks really good already. Yay, and I might even straighten it out even more because it's almost a little bit too curly now, I guess, like for what I'm going for, you know? So, yay, left side done. So that wasn't too bad. I guess that was a few minutes. So let's tackle the right side. Ooh, and as you can see, like the back of this piece is like really straight. So I'm just gonna curl him. Yeah, so that gives a little curl. Just so it doesn't like look really out of place like compared to the other pieces. Ooh, ow, that's hot. Okay, so for my right side, I am gonna get my glove because my iron is so hot now at this point, like it really was hard to like maneuver and hold on to the iron. I'm gonna flip it around so I see the front part just like we saw in the other portion. I'm gonna clamp it. I'm gonna turn it, pull and drag down. So same thing. And yay, curl success. The right side is obviously more awkward for me. Again, turn it away from me so that, you know, the numbers portion of the iron is front. Clamp and turn. You know, and this side is definitely way slower for me getting a handle on it already. Ooh, and it's easy for me to let go of it too because it's just weird. So just know that it will take time to get used to, but even me who has done this a few times still have a hard time keeping a handle on it, you know, so here and yay, curls. I really want to rush the right side because I'm not enjoying how difficult it is for me, but that's where you have to be even more patient because then it won't turn out as good as the other side. Clamp, turn, and pull away. The hardest part, I think, is just keeping the pressure on the iron to clamp it down. Very subtle curl, but good. Whew, this is hot. Yeah, the hardest part for me on this side is definitely holding on to the iron and also getting hair. And I have to remember not to take too big of chunks. Okay, again, clamp and turn away and pull, 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 slight wave, success. And this is me watching many tutorials, reading many articles, and just trying to do it myself. It's been, not gonna lie, it's been pretty difficult. Ah, good. Ooh, that's a nice one. Yay, we're coming to home stretch here. Okay, a couple more pieces left. That's good. Last piece, yay! I guess next time I should start with my right side since it seems like my right side takes way longer. And pull, 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 pull. Very slight, but again, it's okay because that's a front piece anyway. So, all right, let's bring it all around. Let's bring it all back around. So yeah, I noticed on my right side, I obviously didn't get like as big as a curl as my left side. So I'm just gonna go back in and do this front piece again and see if I can correct that. I might not be able to be, but you never know. Did that work? Yeah, I think so. It's a little more, yeah, it's a little more curly now. Okay, so this is what we got now. Finished both sides. As you can see, it's really curly. Like the iron makes it pretty curly. And this is using no product, no hairspray, nothing. I'm generally not a big fan of product because I'm lazy and I don't like my hair feeling sticky, honestly. As you can see, I think it did a pretty good job. While my iron is still hot, I'm just gonna go through and like straighten a few of the pieces because I think like I wasn't going for super curly, but that's what, you know, the iron ended up doing, which is amazing. Obviously this isn't gonna destroy the curls that much. So yeah, now I'm just gonna take my comb and just comb through it. You don't have to comb through it, but again, I guess I'm just going for more of like the wavy look. And I'm not gonna put any product on this or anything because again, I don't like my hair feeling crunchy, and honestly, I don't think I need it. But yeah, my hair's actually got pretty like great volume from just air drying from last night. Yeah, let's see how it looks from the back. I think this is it. It's good. Yeah. But yeah, let me know in the comments below if you guys have tried this out and if it's easy or hard. I've been working on this for a while now, and I just wanted to share with you like what it looks like when I do it, you know? And I think it turned out pretty good. This is not that bad for someone who doesn't know how to do their hair. I hope this video has helped you. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!